Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. Welcome back to my channel Nail Vibes. The channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best and the most trendy and unique acrylic nail art designs. And in this video for today, there is no exception because I have the most classy and beautiful acrylic nail art designs for you to watch and make your choices from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So ladies, as you can see, these nails look so good, unique and gorgeous. So watch to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide. And as you watch, kindly do support this channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. Thank you guys so much. And at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.